Estoppel. You're not going to believe this, but there are some litigants that are such bold liars that they will say one thing in one court and then in a different court or a different case say the opposite. Now remember, these are courts of law. We're supposed to be dealing in truth. That is why it is so important to investigate the opposing party. If you, in your investigation, you find court records that show that they have said something contrary or contradictory to what they're saying in your case, then you can motion for estoppel. And estoppel is stopping them from continuing on with what they've said, with what is different or counter to what they've already testified to or swore to in a court of law. It basically stops them in their tracks. So in a nutshell, estoppel prevents a litigant from asserting a claim or a right contradictory to what was said or done previously. Now, it also stops a litigant from attempting to relitigate what has been legally established as true. A quick example. A litigant files a workers' compensation claim for an injury that they said happened at work. It's a work-related claim. Less than a week later, that same litigant is involved in a fender bender accident, and it's not their fault. And they've decided to sue the other driver, and they're claiming that the injury that they sustained at work actually happened in the car accident. So here, a good defense attorney would investigate, find out if there's any court cases that are active, and do a quick review of them to see if there's anything that could help their case. Of course, if they find that your right ankle is twisted, and you have a workers' compensation claim for that, the same right ankle being twisted in the car accident, then they can motion for estoppel to say, you said for this exact injury that you hurt it at work. Therefore, we're out of it. So that's what estoppel is. It basically says if you have gone on the record in some court case, a prior court case, and you've said one thing, you can't turn around and say something different for your benefit.